Hello and welcome. My name is Suzana. I'm a 3D artist and your guide through beautiful worlds of 3D design and animation in Blender. In this class, I will show you 10 quick tricks I wish someone shared with me when I started using Blender that will help you speed up modeling and animation in Blender and that way turn some complex tasks into very easy to do, saving both time and effort. You will learn how to quickly make stairs using bevel, how to make camera and light follow some object, how to use unsubdivide to create interesting shapes, how to use append, how to use sky texture, how to quickly set camera, how to make quick selections, how to clean up material slots on one object or entire project, and how to reset cursor. After going through this class, you will gain more confidence and use Blender more effectively. That will help you further when you work on complex projects, as it will save you a lot of time. Let's begin.